It's Footmuff time. Let me show you how to put it in the stroller. First things first, take the canopy off the stroller. It will make life easier. Put the Footmuff in the stroller and simply flip over the upper part. Open it up fully to make space for your baby. There are holes for a 5-point harness system. Simply just pull the harness out. And yes, it works on all strollers. Then fasten the straps with the Velcro. Depending on the size and stroller model, you might have to adjust where you place the strap. What's special about the Down Footmuff is that the hood can pop on and off. And now it's baby time. Just buckle up. Inside is a water-repellent fabric that's easy to clean, because we know the shoes can get dirty. You can adjust depending on the weather. Open it up or snap it closed when it's cold. And that's it! You're good to go.